ĐTM was established in 1973 with a claim to the best quality products to stride forward in the international market. Products are passed with ISO 9001-2000, CE, and CCC China safety standards. ĐTM is an AWS Association member. The company works with constant R&D spirit and good service as an advanced enterprise image. The company has gained appreciation and a reputation from domestic and international enterprises over the past 30 years. Air pressure automatic spot welding machine. New type inverter welding machine adopts superb frequency conversion control system for power saving, high efficiency, and stable operation. Standard air pressure automatic spot welding machine with knot type cylinder that reacts accurately and low friction resistance. Bottom base automatic clamping welder that is good for special product welding such as car balance beams and shock absorbers is widely used by the automobile industry. Control box imported from Japan and main transformer are made in cooperation with Japanese engineers who reside in our factory, and advanced technology guidance from ITR for accurate operation needed by international auto parts suppliers and was accredited greatly. Automatic pneumatic and hydraulic seam welding machine. Advantages: active transmission with European advanced oil pressure motor in great torque, low friction, and rotation stability. Major products for auto shock absorbers, stainless kitchenware, water tanks, and processing of metal containers. The products are sold globally and more than 2,000 sets are sold overseas. Electrical heating upsetter. Advantage: power saving, clean working environment, high efficiency, and simple operation with no deformation of the workpiece. It offers an extrusion ratio of 3 to 8 times. Major products are widely used in the markets of auto parts, drilling heads, electric fitting accessories, and are sold to developed countries. We mark out and produce the following turnkey equipment for our business partners: cross and L lug wrenches, auto and motorbike and boat engine valves, electric fan guards, slot grid boards, agricultural use sprayer machines, stainless water towers, automatic wire mesh welding production lines, the machines we manufacture include spot welding machinery, electrical heating upsetting, turnkey equipment, and electrode copper materials, among others. Shank heating upsetting machine, dinner set shank flash butt welding machine. This company has grown steadily and innovated products and improved after-sales service during the 30 years it has been in operation, and it has earned great comments from customers. We have sales networks in the USA, Europe, Canada, Italy, Switzerland, Japan, Australia, France, Brazil, the Middle East, Thailand, the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Turkey, China, Vietnam, Central and South America. Our major customers include: in Japan, National, Panasonic, Hitachi, Toshiba, Sanyo, Kyoto Tool, and Daido Mold. In America, Holmes, Industrymen, and Fundameka. In Europe, Philips and Fish Tools. In the rest of Asia, Maspion, Mahajak Auto Parts, Honda, Toyota, Bangkok Spring, Isuzu, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Ford Auto Parts, APM, and Sapura. They are all famous manufacturers. Our quality policy is to meet customer requirements and put the customer first.